Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Keystone, Montana. This is model 3820FK. That stands for front kitchen. And yes, that is a window on the front with solar-resistant graphics and LED lights surrounding the cap here. This is a fiberglass cap. The sidewalls are 2-inch thick, aluminum frame construction, 4-season insulation. We also have basement storage. Auto leveling, you can just push a button and all six jacks go into position and level it so it's perfectly level. Takes all the work out of setting up. Even your water station, sanitation station, all in one spot here. Frameless windows, high gloss exterior. These are the #1 selling fifth wheel in North America. More storage. Backside we've got our own ladder, rear window, camera ready. 2 entry doors, a mid-entry and the front entry. And let's take a look at the inside and see what makes this model, the 3820FK, so popular. We step inside. Oh, by the way, the step-up steps, notice these, so much more of a stable platform than the old springboard steps. Here's our main living area. We've got 3 sofas, big screen TV, fireplace, lots of windows, ceiling fan overhead, accent lighting on the ceiling, LED lights, and here is our front kitchen. A couple steps up and here we are. Do you like to cook? This could be the RV for you. You can watch TV from here. You've got solid surface countertops, dual basin stainless steel sinks, have a little pop-up here for power. We've got a 3-burner stove, the oven underneath, big microwave, stainless also, pantry storage, double door refrigerator. If you like to entertain, what a great slide RV this is with all the slides and all the seating up front here. Of course our table swivels, but we've got views both sides as well as the front. Has the pull down, well, it's not pull down, it's motorized shade that comes down. And again, more accent lighting. You can see it's become very popular in RVs lately. More countertop here. You know, if you do like to cook, you got a lot of flat surface here for meal prep. Really, it's going to be a great RV for you. Got the hidden hinges, room for pots and pans, and all kinds of cooking devices if you are into that sort of thing. The chair here for the TV, power recliner with cup holders built right in. Sofa beds on both sides, so if you are entertaining, you got guest accommodations. We've got our mid-entry door. Of course, now when you're in travel mode, you're going to have the steps like this. When you open the door, they just simply fold down. All the way to the back, we've got our master bedroom. King-size bed, padded headboard. We've got wardrobe storage. We've got shoe storage underneath. There's storage underneath the bed. There's plug-ins on both sides. Mirrored closet doors. Another flat panel TV, central storage, an array of drawers. I mean, more than probably your wardrobe at home. So, nice big roomy bedroom, bathroom midway. Notice how the door swivels in the middle to accommodate entry from either side. We've got residential size medicine cabinet, solid surface countertops continue on through. We've got foot flush toilet, a big walk-in shower, and more linen storage. Overhead, skylight, and fantastic fan. Alright, so here it is, the 2018 3820FK Montana, right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.